An ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day goes into effect tonight through Friday as I'm tracking the threat for very impactful weather here over the next couple of days. We have a winter storm warning in place for all the counties here in pink. That includes Columbia and Jefferson City. Winter weather advisory elsewhere. That includes the Lake of the Ozarks. So all of us going to feel the impacts of this winter weather. We are going to have a very messy system working through the area. Tonight it's mostly rain, but temperatures will be dropping below freezing by tomorrow morning, and those winds could pick up to around 30 to 35 miles per hour at any point during the day tomorrow. So once it starts to change over to snowfall, we are likely going to have very low visibility throughout the day. We'll start to see a changeover from a rain to a wintry mix by early tomorrow morning. Starts to get icy as those temperatures continue to drop. We'll likely have a glaze of ice on the roads through the morning before that snow falls. You'll see here that strong low pressure system just to our southwest. That center of low pressure expected to track just south of us, and that will bring more of that precipitation overnight. Right now it's just rain. We could even have a couple of rumbles of thunder across our southern counties tonight. Here's tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. We'll start to see that changeover from rain to freezing rain and eventually sleet before it all quickly turns over to snow as temperatures drop all through the atmosphere down into the teens by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when we'll start to see accumulating snow for much of the area. And as we head into the afternoon, snow continues to stay steady, and those strong winds drop us into the teens throughout the afternoon. The wind chills, though, are likely going to stay in the single digits. Once the snow clears, we'll hold on to the strong wind, so we'll still see some blowing snow issues throughout much of the evening. And going into Friday morning, all of that clears. We are left with temperatures dropping down into the single digits. Likely still going to have plenty of slick spots to get going in the morning, so stay inside if you can. But the afternoon we should start to see some improvement as temperatures climb above freezing, and we'll start to see plenty of sunshine warming us up more to where we can get out and about for Friday evening. We're going to have a warmer weekend too to melt a lot of this away. Here's the ice tracker. This is going to take us through early tomorrow afternoon. Most of this is going to happen in the morning up until about noon before it all changes over to snow. So we get to see anywhere from around 1/10 of an inch to almost 1/4 of an inch of ice for areas along and south of I-70. On top of that, we'll see accumulating snow, 4 to 7 inches here in this northern zone, generally along and north of Highway 50. Jefferson City likely going to be in that 2 to 5 inch zone. A little bit farther south, Lake of the Ozarks, I-44, a dusting to 3 inches possible. Once all of this precipitation clears, we are going to see temperatures drop rapidly. Likely going to see wind chills getting well below zero for Friday morning. So our weather alert day will continue through late morning on Friday, and then we'll drop that as temperatures start to warm up towards Friday afternoon. We're looking at a nicer weekend too. We're going to get into the 40s on Saturday, a lot of sunshine on both days, almost to 60 degrees in some spots on Sunday afternoon. So this should start melting fast, but we're still looking at problems on the roads for all of tomorrow and likely into early Friday. Looking ahead to next week, our pattern is going to continue to be active. After a dry period over the weekend, we are looking at chances for more rain and potentially some wintry precipitation early